Ooh, big school. Oh, he came up and nailed it. There we go. There's a good one. School right here. About to drop back in them. It's crazy how many fish are right here. It's coming up. Got another one. There goes another one. Here he comes. Oh, there he goes. There's another one. Oh. There goes another one. Hooking them right where you want to, too. Roof of that mouth. They're eating it. They're eating it good, so. There we go. Here it comes, here it comes. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it. There it goes. Oh, that's fun stuff right there. Got another one. All of them, hooking them right in the roof of that mouth. Right where you want them to be. Hooked at. They not monsters, but nice little fish. Hard to show you. All right, going in, going in, going in. Pick it up. Here it comes. They all coming, they all coming. There it goes. They was all coming for it. There we go. Man, he wanted it. He got that thing deep. There he goes. Pretty fish. All right, we'll drop back down on them guys. See if we can't get another one. I'm a little short, but they'll come for that. Oh, here he comes. There he goes. There's another one. Just found the school out here, man. All right, let's get back out there on them. Oh, there he goes. There's another one. There he goes, another nice fish right there. All right, going back down on him. Let's see if we can't catch another one. Here he comes, here he comes. There he goes, right away. Oh, man. Done got us another one there. Done got us another Speck right there. Oh, he's a little deformed. Look at it. Look at his body, you guys. It's crazy. If you can find that school, man, it's just crazy. Like, they're just sitting here. I'm gonna pitch back here. Drop on them again. There he goes. Feels like a little bit better one. Get on in here, buddy. Whoop. Got that one in the bottom of the lip. There he goes. Another pretty fish right there, you guys. All right, guys, dropping back in on them. See if we're gonna pick one up. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. They swerved me. Come on, come on. There he goes. Come up and nailed it. That's a decent one. Come on in here, man. You know I wanted to see you today. Pretty fish right there, you guys. Another one. Here he comes. That was a subtle bite right here, but he got it. Come on in here, Billy. Oh, got us another one right there. See, this is Billy right here, you guys. That's his name. He coming home with us. Dropping down on him. I'm talking to the camera. Here he comes, here he comes. There he goes. Oh, that one got a little scar on him. Something tried to eat this guy. Yeah, something tried to eat him up right there. Another good fish nonetheless though. Oh, there he goes. There's another one right here, you guys. There he goes. Coming on up in here. Here's another one. Right in the top of the mouth. Pretty fish. There he goes. Came up out of that tree. That's a bass. That's a bass. Came up out of that tree and nailed it. He fighting good too. Look at him. On the old Speck, G. Right in the top of the mouth. Pretty fish right there. Gonna let him go. There he goes. Come up and got it. It's another little bass. Another little bass. He's a healthy little guy. I'll pop that hook out. Got the little fat fish. Let him go. Oh, it's a good one too. That is a good buddy right there. Should I flip him? I don't know how well I got him hooked, but I'm about to flip that bit. Oh, biggest one of the day right there. Yeah, that is a nice one. I didn't have hindsight on. Nice one right there. Oh. You didn't hear him come up and jump. Alright, guys, a little bass here, guys. No, bass came up and grabbed it. Instead of my beloved Speck, I thought I had a 3-pounder on it, and he came and jumped out of the water. But got an old bass here. Got an old largemouth bass. Look at him jumping right there. Look at him jumping right there. Let's go ahead and get him in here. All right, you guys, old camera died on me, but we got another nice little bass there on the Speck jig. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. Whoa, yes sir. Tons of them down there. Big old school. Oh, got him hooked all kind of ways. Here we go. Nice fish right here. There he goes. Come on in here, buddy. These fish done did their thing and came back out deep. These fish done spawned. And they're back out here because these fish are skinny, man. But there's another one right there, guys. There you go. Come up and grabbed it. Yes, sir. I think that's number 17. Another fish right there, guys. There he goes. Came out and grabbed it. Came out that school. Nailed it. Go. There we go. That's a good one right there. That's another one, guys. There he goes. There's just thousands of these fish down there, guys. Oh, we got a magnolia. Black nose. Check that guy out. Beautiful fish. So they got that black goes all the way down his fins. I don't know if you can see that, man. A little bit on the bottom lip. Real pretty fish though. But there's thousands of these fish down there, man. I caught them in this same spot end of last year, earlier this year, man. Just it's crazy how many fish are sitting down there. What the heck is this guy doing down there with them? You're not supposed to be down there, little buddy. Calm down, mister. I'm gonna let you go, Larry. Goodbye. He hit it, came off, came back and hit it again. Another magnolia, another black nose. Yes, sir. We got another one. There he goes. That one's fat. There he goes. He thumped it. Came up and thumped it. Ate it good too. Once again, where you want it, right in the roof of that mouth. Get the pliers for this guy. Whew, there's another one, you guys. Pretty fish. There he goes. Just put that jig in that school, man. Just let it sit there, pop it every once in a while, and they come up and doom, doom. There's a bunch of them down there though, but you'll see the video like on the live scope. You remember how you seen them? Yeah, you remember the white bass? This is like way more fish than that. So many fish, you just drop your jig down there in them and just jig, pop it, and they grab it, thump. Sometimes it's like that, but sometimes it's like right now and it's not. Got one. Feels like a better one. There you go. There's another one right there, guys. Barely had that one hooked. Another fish though. That's what they call it. Got another one. Uh-oh, they might cut on right here. Ooh. Oh, we got another one right there, guys. Got another one. Right there in the roof of the mouth. Pop that hook right out. Nice little fish right there. There he goes. Oh, it's a little bit better one. Flip him in here, flip him in here. That's a good one right there. Hook pop right out. Healthy fish. Yes, sir. Come back. He's coming back. You so. Hold on. Hooked up on another one there, guys. He hit it. lost him, came back, hit it again, hook just popped out. And I believe that's number 30. So that's what you call a limit. All right, you guys, that's a limit right there. Limit. That's all she wrote.